This conference will now be recorded.
Hello.
Good morning, Purnavaru.
Yeah, hi Jyoti, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Good.
Yeah, I was working out the CURD application on the pagination. I mean, it's in pagination similar to CURD, but I could not get CURD into execution. I have been having problem with database, I'm guessing.
You have?
With the database, I created the table.
Okay.
The database, at first it was saying database connection is not there, but later, even if I got the database connection, it says the table cannot be read. But then when I try to create the table, it says, it is already present again. But still, irrespective of that, if table is there, the code is supposed to run, but the code always says it cannot fetch it.
Mm-hmm. So you're talking about CRUD application, I think.
Uh-huh.
Are you talking about CRUD application?
Yes, good.
So, okay, so you're not able to fetch the data.
Yeah. I'm thinking that is my error. Do you want to see once?
Yes. Kishore, could you please share her screen?
Yeah, this always comes up.
Okay. Oh, you're getting this one error, right? Okay. Mhm. Okay, close this all the stuff. And,
Just 1 second. Oh my God. This is stop the screen. Yeah.
no. So run the entire application on the server. Run the entire application on the server. Okay, when you run the application in the server, you're getting this one, right? So
Mm-hmm.
you have index.html, right?
Mm-hmm.
Open that index.html. So open your web.xml. You don't have web.xml?
No,
Do you have?
no web.xml.
So if you don't have web.xml, so by default, if you run the application also, it has to go to the index.html. The index.html, right. But your application is not going over there. Okay, so open your browser, that local browser, and browser over there. Just write it. Remove that employee dev and no, don't remove that. Oh, okay. Over there, just write index.html. Have you written index.html?
Yeah, but for rest everything else it works. Suppose if we
You're getting remaining applications.
yeah
The entire project you're running. You're running only that class, right?
yeah
Run the entire project. Do you have any HTML files in that project test project?
mm-hmm. I don't have HTML in this. In this also there is no web.xml, so it didn't run the cookie. Mm-hmm.
It's not opening index.html.
Yeah, maybe because web.xml is not there.
Okay.
But I
No,
have
not.
web.xml. The only problem is the web.xml is in this version.
No, did you keep that index.html inside the web content?
Yeah, web.imnf. You can see my screen, right?
I can see, but the thing is, whether it is in where it is, I'm not understanding. Close that
Web,
web once.
web.xml.
No. In the corner, web minimize that. Okay. So your index.html is inside the web.
Yeah.
So remove that index.html from the web and keep it directly in the web content. And let's see. Now you have to run an entire application. Okay. Got
Oh.
it. So there also, did you keep the same?
mm,
Okay.
Correct.
So
Yes.
it's not visible previously, so it should be in the when you run the entire application.
Web.
It has to. It's not inside the web enough. It should be
Okay.
outside that. Come on. Yes.
Thank you
Now
so much.
mention the fields, Jyoti, whatever it may be. Let's see. And have you maintained the database code and all properly?
Yeah, I just created, but I did not try putting anything there because I want to enter it from here.
Sorry, unable to save record. Add employee. Database problem connection. Password, email, and yeah. Sorry, unable to save record. Did you create the table? Exactly the same way. So you just do it, Jyoti. You
Yeah, yeah, I'll try again. It
check
say
once
it
whether
says
you have.
it says that it is already present, but when I'm trying to insert or create it again, it says person already exists.
Oh,
So the
okay,
table is already there.
okay, okay.
I can see over here, the tables in the tables one, I can see
ID,
person.
password, email, country, right? And the table name, whatever you are giving from there, so that's the same table, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I've changed everything to persons.
Okay, so it's not inserting a record. Hope.
Yeah, it's not inserting, but it's viewing again. Because if you see, if I say view employee, it is going. Because I didn't add anything, it's showing me like this.
Okay.
It's not able to save and it's not able to.
So when you
View
click
is
on save,
working fine.
yeah, when you click on save employee, so you need to check. You need to keep some SOPs. Check with some SOPs. Write some SOPs, Jyoti.
Uh, in SOPs in the sense,
To when you're saving, to which class you're calling.
EMP
EMP DAO. So go there, and save method is called EMP DAO. Okay, so that's a thing, right? Where is that method? Which method is calling to save? Where is your save method?
delete.
In the EMPDAO, you have save method. No, yeah, this is the one. Here, what you do is, after insert, write an SOP. At the line number 20, I just wanted you to write system.out.println, and let's see.
It's not coming over here itself.
It's not coming over there.
Mhm.
And what do you say? Inside the try block, give inside the try block. Yeah, the first. Okay.
No, it's not even going inside the try block.
No. Open your console. Double click on the console. Okay, it's going now.
Connection, yes.
So where is that connection?
Here, till here it is going. But hello is not being printed, so something is wrong with this prepared statement. I didn't get, okay, yeah, I got connection, but I didn't get try.
Connection also you get it now. Try also you got it. Try is there, connection is there. So you're getting
Okay.
still there. Okay. Now what you do is, hello, you're not getting. That means
Yes.
insertion statement is going wrong. Hello, you're not getting.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Mhm. Hello, you're not getting means insert into persons. The table name is persons only, no?
Yeah.
Person.
Over here also, I guess we got an error raised. Between try and connection, we got class found exception.
Okay, did you add the jar file what do you say? My connection.sql.jar file?
Mm-hmm. This one, right?
Yeah, that's the thing. MySQL connector hyphen Java.
The normal JDBC worked for me. Where is my JDBC? In that JDBC, yeah, this one, my JDBC. Yeah, in this one worked for me, the same. This one runs because I've used the same SQL connector.
SQL connector dot jar, it's not connecting over there. Why?
But it is working with view and all everything, right? So it is actually connected.
Might be the statement wrong. Prepared statement. Yes, equal to content prepared statement. Insert into persons. The table name is right? That is hello. You are able to print it? No, right? Hello, it's not. That means there only the problem is the statement somewhere it is going wrong.
Do you want me to try add create? This insert also doesn't work. It says table person does not exist. But over here, when I print select star from persons, again it works. Oh, sorry. One sec.
Table level only there is some mistake is happening. Persons. And what are the column names you have given? ID, name, password, email, country. Exactly, you have given the same things, right?
Yeah, ID, name, password. But I don't know why name is in this color and email is in this color.
Email is different one, and country is also different. Name, password, it should not be null, right? You are specifying particularly, not null. Not null. The table got created, right? And the values are inserting.
No, the
Yeah.
values are not inserting.
You're not able to insert the values in this table?
No, if I run this command, oh, now it worked. I don't know.
It worked now?
Yeah, it worked.
Check it out now? No, here only, just check it out. No,
Where
you have just you have to maintain the commit changes. You have whatever you have done the changes that you need to commit them.
I can see the one added, one which is added,
Okay,
one
then
row.
run the application again. Okay, see your console. CJ, the driver name you have written wrong. Hello,
Yeah,
Jyoti, the driver name, whatever you have written, that is wrong.
but this, oh, but the same driver name I've used before. It's MySQL TJ JDBC. What should the name be then? Driver. Should it be the database name?
Local, your database name. You have database, no? That is your database name. You have database?
Yeah.
And see, one more thing here. Jyoti not there. your what is your driver name you have written wrong. com.mysql.cj dot, this is wrong. cj dot, it is not. The driver name is something you have to search it in the open in the there actually.
No, but I've used the same one before in the JDBC.
The driver problem, that is 100% driver problem. So open Java T point and track the driver name.
No.
JDBC program, check the JDBC program. Java, click on Java and the JDBC, and there you'll be having MySQL. That's it. Copy and paste it over there. Okay, so and your local host 3306 and the database is that one only. That's fine.
Localhost is 8080. Do you want me?
That is
But
that is
servlet is 3306, I guess.
yeah, that's correct. Yeah, that's good. Connection. No, run the application, the entire application. Did you save
Yeah.
them?
Yes, I saved everything.
com.mysql.jdbc.driver, and there is something going wrong. One moment. Where is your database connected? One moment. Com. This is your driver, and 3306 JDBC colon MySQL colon localhost 3306. Okay. After the connection, just write some hello or something. After the 10th line, just write it over there. There is your console.
No, the hello didn't print.
I'm sorry.
The hello did not print.
So there only the problem is there. Again, minimize this one console. Double click over there. Don't close it.
Oh,
You have to double click. Okay. So the username and password are right.
yeah, this is the main local database thing, right?
Your
Password?
your server, your system, and
Yeah,
what is
that is
your equipment for your database?
root only I have put.
Sorry.
ID root, password root. It should not be username, right? Username is Jyoti, but the ID and password is root and root for me.
Username is
Jyoti.
and yeah, password is root. Yeah, change it to username Jyoti. And okay, run that application. The only problem is database problem you have. Double click. Still, it is showing the class not found exception. com.mysql.jdbc driver. The driver also my connection. Where did you keep the driver?
In the reference libraries?
In the reference library. Okay. No. So what do you say? Right click on your project. Configure build path. Okay. So okay, fine. That's fine. Huh? Apply and close it. And now copy that location. Where is your jar file? Is there? Please open that jar file location.
The
SQL
my
connector. Yeah.
MySQL connector.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah. Copy that one.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have extracted file? That's a zip file, no?
Yeah, I put zip because after extraction, it's not coming. It's
You
not
should
taking in.
extract here. Yes to all. How come this is a zip file?
Mm-hmm. If I try to put this one, it just goes on till here.
No, it should not go there. It should not contain such kind of thing actually. Okay, open your Java point once,
Mm-hmm.
and there You'll be having MySQL jar file, or else in the Google download just MySQL jar file. You'll get only file. You will not get any other thing. MySQL.jar. That's it for SQL developer. For anything. Okay, open this. Okay, you're getting over there. No, 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 no. Jar file we want. We don't want this. MySQL connector.jar file. Just write it over there. MySQL connection.jar file. That's one. MySQL connection.jar file.
This one?
Yep, for MySQL. JDBC driver for MySQL. Yeah, download that. You're getting the installer. You should not get that one. .jar file we need. Do you haven't used Maven, right? It's not a Maven Pro. But all
No,
if it
but
would be.
I guess it's there. Like when I go to new,
It
I
is
can see
coming
that.
only because the jar file is not able to situate it.
Okay.
That's the problem. It's coming.
I mean, I
That's
have Maven project over here already. That means my Maven is set, right?
okay. Maven, if you are using, you can configure the jar file directly. So then we don't need to download it. We don't need to add it in the there actually. That's the thing.
So should I remove it from?
That file is not connecting actually.
Okay.
That's a problem. That is a zip file. Over there, it is showing it as a zip, but we want a jar file. Okay, in the jar, you'll be getting here in the T point. Open once T point in the MySQL connection.jar file. They'll show you over there in the T point. You can download it from there.
Okay.
Connectivity jar files for MySQL jar file. There'll be some in some of the other program. If you scroll down, you'll find it. Scroll it up.
This one?
MySQL connection.jar file. Yeah, scroll it up. Scroll it up. You'll get the downloads. You'll get a download option. Wait. This one. Download the jar file. MySQL connector. That. Download that. You got the zip. Okay. You're getting a zip file. If you extract it also, you'll get a folder. You don't need to extract it. That's the only file we have to get it. If you extract it also, nothing you'll get it. Copy and paste it in the library. In the library, just lib. We have a folder library lib.
I should delete this one, right?
Yeah.
No, this is not.
Hmm. Configure build path, or you say configure build path. Configure build path and add that file. That's the problem is only with the jar file, or else copy that file and paste it in the lib. Here, webinf after you have a lib, right? So there you need to paste it.
In the lib?
File, where is that file? Just copy directly the file. Now copy that one. Control C.
In the web or library, you said, right?
In the lib. Okay. Now run the application. We'll see.
Client does not support our.
Now that error has gone, but it is showing client does not support. The previous error has gone, right?
Yeah.
So client does not support authentication protocol requested by server. You're getting a database problem only, Jyoti. So we need to fix that.
Okay.
Just check it out that one, okay?
Sure.
Uh, can you make me as a presenter?
Where is the? I don't think I can. I see the option.
Yeah, Kishore, can you make me as a presenter? I think Kishore left. Hello, Kishore, are you there? So we'll start up with the JSP, Jyoti, now.
Okay. Do you want me to open?
Yeah, made you present.
Okay, so we'll talk about now with the JSP. So what is basically JSP? Java Server Pages. Okay, so JSP is an extension of your servlet. JSP is an extension of servlet. JSP is an extension of servlet. So that means, but the thing is, JSP, like we have a servlet. If you want to write some simple hello world also, I need to write init service, and then inside the service only I have to write the complete things. But JSP is not like that. We can directly create a JSP page, and we can directly run it on the server, and we can write a simple message saying hello or something else. Very easy way, quick, and means a dynamic one, because it is working on it's running on the server. JSP technology is used to create web applications just like a servlet technology, and so it can be thought of an extension to the servlet because it provides more functionality. So the advantage of the JSP over the servlet. So we don't need to, it is an extension and it is easy to maintain, fast development, and you don't need to recompile and redeploy. So every time I need to run entire application every time on the server, but here I don't need to. If I want to develop a simple application, that's very easy.
But we need to compile, right, for the changes and then save and then run the server.
Yeah, obviously, but every time we don't need to compile. When the effects got changed, when you save it, automatically the server will be rerunning. So in case
Oh,
of
okay, get it. Like the HTML static files, you just do it over here, and then automatically the browser get updated.
right. getting stuck. Just like a normal dynamic web project, I'll create, and here, if you want to create any JSP page, so we don't need to write anything specifically. Right click onto your project and say it's taking too much time. New, say here JSP file.
We can do that from source also, right? Or we have to do it from the main project?
So basically, we will be keeping JSP files in the web content because they are presentation pages, right?
Yeah, so on the web content, I can just left click and do like how I create HTML.
That's it. Let's say I just said hi.jsp and I
Okay.
finished it. So I'll be getting some HTML code. Inside that, I will be writing any message. So the problem with the servlet is it's not suitable for presentation because I have to write a class, I have to write a init method, and inside the service method, I have to create an object for print writer, and then with the help of the print writer method, I have to write out.print or something. Then only I can print something. But JSP is not like that. Simply I
Direct,
can
I can write like HTML code.
yeah. I am JSP. That's it. Directly run on the server. Of course, I can run my servlet also on the server. But the thing is, so this one is more comfortable when we are working with, how do you say, when you are working, taking it as a presentation page. That's it. So inside the HTML code, we are writing the body. We are writing JSP. But if you use the servlets, you have to write inside the servlet.
Service method or do get method.
Yes, you have in the inside the do method, inside the out.print method, I have to write HTML code. Inside that, I have to write it.
In this
But here,
JSP, you're writing that hi, I'm JSP, right?
yes,
That's like normal, but actual thing is you have to write it in paragraph or H1 tags. It's like proper HTML, right?
yes, yes,
Okay.
we can keep that. also.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, just
So what
asking.
if you'd like to write some addition code or subtraction code, I can write it. So basically servlets, if you want to write any executable code, that I can write it inside. I can write it inside my service method. But do we have anything like that? Yes, we have the service method. If I want to write HTML, I cannot write a Java code, right? But in the JSpace is nothing but a servlet. So in the JSpace, I can write a Java code. So where I have to write? For that, I need to use one tag that is called scriptlet tag. There are three tags basically: scriptlet, expression, and declaration tag. So if I want to write some executable code, I need to write it inside scriptlet tag. This is my
Okay.
scriptlet tag. So that is how you see this open parenthesis and this percentile and let's say it's like Java code you're writing over here. 45 plus 55. Okay, so 100. Are you getting me? Hello.
Yeah.
Complete Java code I can write it.
Oh, good. Get it. It's like the scripted thing.
Yeah.
Z.
Triple nine,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So whatever you keep inside the scripted tag, that is nothing but you're writing a Java code.
Yes.
So whatever you're writing inside the scripted tag, that is nothing but you're writing inside a service method, where you're writing inside service method. In the servlet, you write executable code in the service method. But here, if you want to write anything inside the service method, you have to use this tag, percentile, sorry, this less than and the percentile symbol, open, and this again closing.
Mm-hmm.
Are you getting me?
Yes.
This is your scripted tag. What if I have a form and from this form I would like to read a values? If I have a Java, if I have used a sublet, basically I'll be using request.get parameter, and first I need to write service method. Inside the service method I have to say request.get parameter and what is the name of that field. If I get it, what is there in the box I'm getting, I can be able to get it and I can be able to store it. But here we don't need this. We can directly say request.get parameter. You can directly say request.get parameter. Are you getting me?
Mm-hmm.
So directly I can read the values and I'm able to print it. So that's the reason it is best suitable for presentation purpose.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
Mm-hmm.
Hello?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. So this is a triplet tag. Makes sense, Jyoti?
Yes.
So Java code, if you want to place in the JSP, you have to use the scriptlet tag. So whatever you're writing inside the JSP, the scriptlet tag, that is nothing but you're writing the code inside the service method of your sublet. Because JSP is again internally will be, when you run it on the server, it will become it will be generating a class file, that is servlet class file. So that means whatever you write inside the scripted tag, that code you are going to keep inside the service method. We are not responsible for that. Your server will be taking care of these things in the backend.
Okay.
So JSP is a sublet as an extension of sublet. That means no need to write much code, just to use the simple tags. Now, expression tag. If you want to write anything, not Java code, any expressions, like let's say simple expressions like addition, express y, or some text I want to print it, any expressions, okay? Simple messages, simple statements. If I want to print it, I don't need to write a Java code. I can write it by using, what do you say, this expression tag. Expression tag is something, whatever you are writing inside that, that is nothing but you are writing inside SOP, system.out.println. Here, out.print. Out.print is nothing but you're using a print writer. To print it on the browser, we need a out.print. If you want to print on the console, system.out.print. So here, whatever you write directly, that is you are going to print it on the inside, or you are going to keep it inside out.print. So that's the reason any expression you want to say directly. If I want to know current date, so directly get me the package and get me the class name, get me the time. Directly I can be able to fetch my current time onto my browser window. And I have a form values. If I want to read them, actually I have to say I need to store them in one variable and I have to print it. But if I use a declaration tag directly, I can write it request.get parameter of what is that parameter.
Yeah.
Hope you are getting me.
Yeah.
That is about what do you say, your expression tag. Expression tag is nothing but directly whatever you write, that is you are going to keep it inside out.print method.
Yeah.
So finally we have that is declaration tag. Declaration is nothing but you're just going to call them, or you're going to assign some values.
Initialize. Yeah.
Slice. If you want to see how the output, if you want to see the output, you need to use this one or else a scripted tag.
Okay. Just for like initializing or declaring, we use.
Yeah. Or else if I want to define a method, I cannot go for implementation, but if I
Oh
want to
yeah.
write a method logic,
Yeah. Makes
I'm
sense.
defining a method logic. I want to call that, so I can call over here. Make sense, Jyoti?
Yeah. I really like JSP.
It's a simple way, right? So we don't need to
Yeah.
write much. So I just wanted you to direct creation of JSP pages and run that individual page on the server. That's it.
Sure.
But that page should be inside the web content, not inside web banner. Make sure
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
So till the here, just work on it, all these
Sure.
examples, and make sure your database connectivity, then only it will work.
Yeah.
The
I'll work
problem
on
with the
it.
database you have, so try to fix that by next class, Jyoti.
Yeah.
I'll see you then tomorrow. Okay. So fix
Sure.
that, and we'll work on tomorrow's session. Till
Uh,
declaration.
yeah.
Yeah.
Just asking, what all do we have left?
So we will be after that JSP. We will be doing Hibernate, and then immediately we'll be going for Spring and Spring Boot, and then Spring. We have different modules in the Spring.
Okay.
So also Angular. We'll be having a look into Angular.
Okay.
Okay.
Because I have no idea on Angular. I just did React. So yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
Angular is very important. Angular React in competition actually.
Yeah. So I'll just prepare like here and there so that I'm not completely new to Angular.
HTML CSS. I don't think so. I need to teach you.
No, HTML, CSS, I'm very good.
Okay.
I can
And even
manage.
JavaScript. What about JavaScript
Yeah.
validations?
Yeah, JavaScript validations also. I mean, I just have to look up sometimes, but I just know what's happening.
Okay, but try to make sure you are going to execute the programs, Jyoti. So that is very important for us.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Any questions for me, Jyoti?
No, I'm good.
Okay, thank you.